now entering Adventureland of the Magic Kingdom at Walt Disney World in Lake Buena Vista, Florida. In this video, we're gonna hop on the Jungle Cruise.
Skipper Albert Awol, the voice of the jungle.
This is a simulation of a jungle cruise through major rivers in Africa, South America, and Asia with a live skipper saying dad jokes.
On the DVC.
This ride is set in the 1930s at a British explorer's lodge during the age of imperialism in the early 20th century before World War II. This is an opening day attraction.
And now here's today's river tip from Skipper Bill of the Congo Connie. Bill says, if it rains in the jungle, who cares? That's why they call it a rainforest. Thanks, Bill.
You ride on replica tramp steamers, similar to those that may have been used for jungle cruises during the 30s.
Any travelers who may need to exchange foreign currency during their voyage need...
Kidding, you're never going to see them again. Wave goodbye to my fans in line over there. I was talking about the ceiling fans. I have no idea who those people are. But folks, welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise. My name's Kate. I'll be your skipper for as far as we get. But even more importantly, if you don't laugh at my jokes, I will be your swimming instructor. Off to a great start. Raise your hand if you know how to swim. If you don't, look around. Those are your flotation devices. If you can't find anyone, I have bars of soap up here. I can just toss you one. 165 days a year. Or if I'm doing the math correctly, that's almost every other day. On the left, though, we have Inspiration Falls, and a lot of people wonder why that's called Inspiration Falls. Well, the longer that you stare into that running water, the more it will inspire you to go. Ooh. Everybody say, ah. Inspiration if I've ever heard it. So Congo. I did arrange a big welcoming party for us back here on Picnic Beach. There's going to be food, music, dancing, and nobody showed up. This is weird. You know what? It's okay. Something had to have scared them all off. That's the only logical explanation. Like that giant python. Do you know how I can tell that's a python and not a boa? That doesn't have any feathers on it. We are going to swing by my camp right over here, though. Oh, no. Okay, they really find that appealing, but not all bad news. I couldn't get my Jeeps running this morning. Looks like they got it to turn over. They might have used a monkey wrench, maybe called AAA. I don't know. But we're in the Nile River now, one of the longest rivers in the world. It goes on for Niles and Niles and Niles, and if you don't believe me, you're probably in... Africa. We're in Africa, but I liked the confidence. Now, I did teach him a trick. Speak. Louder. Now spray the boat. Oh, we're still working on that one. Up ahead, though, this is a sandstone rock formation. Now, I point this out just because a lot of people take it for granted, but I think it's one of our bolder attractions. So you guys think it rocks. And this is the African belt. It's home to some long-necked cheetahs. Those things look like deer. I've never seen them before. They must be new. This is sweet. Look at that. Those lions are protecting that sleeping zebra. No. That zebra was dead. Are you seeing this? I've never seen anything like this before. Look, there's got to be at least like 1 billion rocks on that beach. Wow. There at the bottom, though, that's my friend Ina. Everyone say hi, Ina. Now, over here to the left, you'll notice all these plants that grow out here in the jungle. They're pretty rare and exotic plants like these with the big green leaves. Behind the plants with the big green leaves, though, you'll see absolutely nothing. Now, coming up behind me is Schweitzer Falls, named after the famous jungle explorer, Dr. Albert Falls. There, you didn't get it. Okay, we'll go over it later. You know, Skipper Kate, how'd you land your job out here? Plain to see. I took a crash course, now I'm just kind of winging it. You know, obviously my career didn't take off the way I had hoped, but I don't want to bore you. That's the tail end of that story. Oh man. Okay, we're in a hippo pool now. Pretty dangerous place out here. Hippos are very, very very strong. They can capsize entire boats. Just take a seat for me, sweetie, okay? Last week these hippos did capsize 6 boats on the Jungle Cruise, but don't worry, only 5 were mine. You guys are in good hands, okay? You've got nothing to worry about. Except for entering headhunter territory. This is not a good place to be headed. If you don't believe me, you can ask my last crew over there. They were a bunch of boneheads. A lot of skippers, though, have been coming back, telling us to be on the lookout for an ambush in this area. I'm going to be honest with you, I don't know what one of those looks like, so keep your eyes peeled for anything out of the ordinary. Not these guys, though. These are my friends. They're harmless. But if you get hit with something, throw it back. Keep souvenirs out here. No, we're looking for an ambush, some type of plant, but I don't see anything. You know, this is what you've been waiting for, though. Shared right there. I get it. It's beautiful. You guys must have been speechless. Just don't try that at home, okay? You're now in the heart of Cambodia. Normally I do a tour of this temple. It looks like there's been an earthquake, though. I don't recognize the entrance. Should we go in? Take a seat for me, sweetie, okay? Well, we have to. I have no idea how to U-turn this boat. So just keep your eyes open. I'm going to keep mine shut. That's sweet up ahead though. Look at that, 2 baby elephants bathing under a full moon. You don't see that every day. Oh, but you're mean. But, you know, a lot of people, no, don't do it again. Don't do it. A lot of people think that that's water coming out of their trunks. It's not. Since we have some time though, I just want to always thinking of new and exciting ways to serve you. Now, Trader Sam is this guy up ahead on the left holding the umbrella. Sam is our head salesman here in the jungle. Lately, his sales have been shrinking. We're very proud of Sam though. Sam was the first member of his family to attend college, but he was only there for a few weeks before he was kicked out. He was caught buttering up one of his professors. But most importantly, when you exit the boat, please make sure to exit the door that you entered. To this side, you'll head out that front door. Just whenever you do, please do not cross over or through anything in the middle. I know it's tempting.
Next to the Jungle Cruise is the Swiss Family Treehouse, another original opening day attraction, and one that is very overlooked. It is based on the home the family built in the 1960 film Swiss Family Robinson. The huge tree does look real, but it's made up of concrete, steel, and stucco. It is 60 feet tall and 90 feet wide. The original treehouse at Disneyland was changed into Tarzan's treehouse later on, so this is the oldest surviving Swiss Family treehouse in its original form. They have a pretty interesting parlor. It was just like visiting a very unique house museum at Disney World. This place really has everything. From the highest point, probably unlike the Robinsons, you can see Cinderella's castle. And Space Mountain. This would have been the main bedroom. If you're tired of waiting in line, this is probably the one place you won't have to wait in line, so it's well worth the quick stop. On the ground is their kitchen. So that was Adventureland. Really amazing stuff. Like, all of it is just so impressive. I have a bunch of videos here at the Magic Kingdom. Please go check those out. And thanks for watching.